Hi there, Shauna Lynn Simon here from Beyond the Stage Homes, helping you to create beautiful homes in Waterloo region. And I want to talk to you about this week's Around the House tip of the week, which is your home selling team, because it's not something that happens by yourself. You need a team of professionals to really help you to make the whole home selling and home moving process as smooth and easy as possible. So earlier this week, we hosted our home sellers workshop. It's called How to Stand Out, a home sellers workshop, and it is open to real estate agents and homeowners. And we've been doing these workshops for the last few years now. We now do them just a couple times a year, 2 to 3 times a year, and we'll probably be doing our next one in the fall. So we'll be sure to let you know as soon as we have that one registered and scheduled. But these workshops have been a really great resource for Waterloo region homeowners, especially in discovering tips for ensuring that they have a smooth home selling process, or as smooth as possible anyway. We have a lot of great sponsors at this event, and these sponsors are part of our team. All sponsors that we have for our workshop are always personally vetted by our team at Beyond the Stage Homes. What I mean by this is at Beyond the Stage Homes, we will not recommend a service or a trade or a supplier unless we have personally vetted them. So we ensure that we take a look at who they are, how they work with their clients, and we use them personally in our businesses. Perhaps they've come recommended by another qualified trade that we truly trust and recommend, but we're always very careful about how we vet our services and suppliers that we recommend. So at our workshop, of course, we had some of our greatest team members there. And so I want to give a quick shout out to who they are and what is it they do and how you can make them a part of your team. So for starters, we had Stephen Green from RBC Financial, and Stephen Green is our mortgage expert. Now, unfortunately, he wasn't able to attend this event. He's normally there giving a few mortgage tips for us. He wasn't able to attend the event, but he did still sponsor the event for us, which we truly appreciate. So if you have any questions about refinancing your mortgage, about purchasing a new home, about what it means to your mortgage if you have two mortgages, essentially, where you're buying a house and you're selling a house, you need to bridge that mortgage. Stephen will give you all the answers that you need and help ensure that you are qualified before you're purchasing your home, that you're qualified for what you need to be qualified for, and ensuring that he's communicating with you what you need to know all about that. So for all your mortgage needs, be sure to check out Stephen Green of RBC Financial. We also had Roger McIntosh from Rabideau Law joining us. Roger McIntosh and the whole team at Rabideau Law, Jeff Rabideau is the head lawyer there. And these guys are a great legal team. And the truth of the matter is you need a legal team. When you are purchasing a home, you want to ensure that everything goes smoothly. One of the greatest tips that Roger gave us was get everything in writing. So one of the things that these guys do is mobile signing, which is super convenient for today's society and how busy we all are. It's great to be able to have someone who can come to your home, especially if you have a family or if you have mobility issues. This really helps to add a great level of convenience. So the fact that they do mobile signing, so they will come to your home and do the signing of the documents for you. If you've ever done this document signing for purchasing a house, you know it's like a gazillion things you got to sign. So these guys really help to make that task and that part of it a lot easier. They also offer flat rate services, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about any hidden fees or surprises at the end with your bill. And of course, like all of our vendors, they offer top quality service. We also had as one of our sponsors, AMJ Campbell. Kirk Grady was there from AMJ Campbell Moving and Storage. These guys are full service professional moving and storage. So they provide professional movers. We've actually used them as a part of our home staging business. As many of you know, we own all of our own home staging inventory. Well, it doesn't magically get into your house. We need professional movers to do that. AMJ has provided that service for us, and let me tell you, they are professional. Love what they do. They make sure they protect everything. I think that was one of the things that impressed me the most. Was I'm very confident bringing them into a house that I'm staging, because I know they're going to protect not only my own staging items, but the homeowner's house as well. Obviously, making sure that we're not damaging or even getting things, filthy and everything else. So they do a great job of that. They have movers, they've got packers, they can store your items for you. If you are moving out of your house on, say, the Thursday and you don't get your keys until Friday for the new house, they will hold your items overnight for you. They go all out for you. So they do local moves, they do cross-border moves. They've got you covered no matter where you're headed up to. Another one of our sponsors was Sherwin-Williams. Sherwin-Williams has been one of our sponsors of our workshop pretty much since its inception. They're wonderful to work with. We recommend Sherwin-Williams paints, and we use Sherwin-Williams paints. They are top quality paint. They have some great color choices. We love their neutral colors, especially for selling your house. We absolutely love some of the great tones that they have. They've got some great grays, taupes, and other beautiful colors that really help to cozy up the home, keep it that nice, warm, cozy tone, but while neutralizing it when you're selling your home. If you have a dark wall in your house or dark walls that you need to get painted, maybe you've painted some bright red walls, or maybe in your children's room you did a bright pink or bright blue. The great thing is that a nice Sherwin-Williams gray paint will cover in 2 coats. We've had plenty of clients that have done it. They're amazed by it. It really is worthwhile to invest in this quality paint. If you are teamed up with Beyond the Stage Homes for your home selling project, we can actually offer you a great little deal at Sherwin-Williams. So be sure to ask your home stager about that, or ask when you call in to book your appointment, ask for more details about that. And then, of course, we had Canadian Home Inspection Services. We had Jerry Van Eycken from Canadian Home Inspection Services there. So they are a home inspector. Now, a lot of people always think of home inspectors for the purchase of your home, and absolutely Jerry does offer that service, but he also offers pre-listing home inspections. So here's the really cool thing about a pre-listing home inspection is that you have the opportunity to figure out if there's anything going on in the house maybe you're not aware of, to help give peace of mind to your buyers and help to create qualified offers. You're less likely to get conditional offers, and you can get that house sold that much faster by offering this pre-listing inspection, of course. He will review everything in the home, from asbestos to septics to plumbing, molds, and more. Whatever it is that you need. Basically he looks at every nook and cranny essentially of your house. Anywhere that he can get at, he will absolutely review that in your home. He's very thorough. He's very competent. I've worked with him again personally. My clients absolutely love him. And he really makes a great part of the team. Now, of course, we also can't forget that you need a real estate agent as a part of your team. Now, while we didn't have a real estate agent sponsoring our workshop, because these are independent workshops from real estate agents, and agents are welcome to attend it, we do strongly recommend having a real estate agent as a part of your home selling team. And here's the thing, at the end of the day, you want a professional doing what professionals do. And to me, selling a home is definitely something that you want to ensure that you have a professional assisting with, especially the way the market has been for the last while. A quality real estate agent will ensure that they're marketing your home effectively, and they're reaching the audience that you want to be reaching and getting the maximum amount of traffic through your home, and they are selling your home. So if you do need recommendations for a qualified real estate agent, you're welcome to contact us. We're always happy to recommend some of the ones that we work with. You can also visit our website at www.beyondthestagehomes.com and check out our preferred vendors there. We do list some of the top real estate agents that we work with, and we truly recommend. All right, well, I think that's it for what I've got today for building your home selling team. Again, I think it's really important to make sure that you trust the professionals that you are working with, but you do want to have that team around you to ensure that you are having a nice, smooth sale to your house and, of course, move into your next home. So thank you so much for joining me for this week's Around the House Tip of the Week, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Happy staging.